Well, here we are with Tommy Lee Morris, rider number 57 in the 125cc, the two-stroke on the KTM. Tommy, looking at the sponsorship you have on the bike there, Elderfield Motorcycles, Chris Elderfield, Scott Elderfield, of course. So you're getting help from them down south?
Yeah, they do me quite a lot of good things. They give me kits and things, and they got me a deal with Alpine Stars. So yeah, I'd like to thank them very much for helping me this year.
So things going pretty good for you this season though, Tom. You've been training hard, ready for the season ahead. It's early days this season, but things going good.
Yeah, really good. I've been training through the winter, trying to get my speed up for the Nationals, and need to get the starts, try and stop crashing so much and stay with them. Just they're so fast, and them top three runners, they're just unbelievable. We can't catch them.
Right, here we are with Gary Ashley, big wheel rider, 85cc, big wheel. We're here at the Judd Racing Premier Cup. Gary, things okay for you? Not too bad? How's the weekend going?
Yeah, it's going good. First race I got a 5th, but bad gate, got stuck right over, got a really bad gate pick. But yeah, second race went a lot better for me. I got 3rd in that one, and then the 3rd race of the weekend, which is the last one I had, going really well until I lost my back brake, so still got 7th, but it's good.
Okay, got a very good friend here, a very good rider, top rider from Wales, Ashley Greedy. Well, you've been getting some great results today. That last race with Jim Davis and everything, it was absolutely superb. I've seen some races in my time, but and Ash winning a lot of races in 65s and 85s and everything, but that last one. So what's the future? You're going to keep with the various series? You're going to stay with the Judd Racing, I hope?
Yeah, sticking with the series. May do a couple more on the 125 again, but yeah, definitely doing this series. So we're hoping to come away with a championship in the long run. It's not all won this weekend.
Well, you know that. You've been there before. You've been in the various championships. You know it's a long haul. Yeah. You've got to keep yourself fit, keep away from any trouble. But you're staying on the 125, or are you doing anything else on a 250 or anything?
No, this year on the 125 only. I might have a dabble on my dad's 250 Kawasaki two-stroke, just for fun, to keep my fitness up in between, just to keep the bike fresh, ready for racing.
And going back to the other sponsors, Kenny, I can see, and many more, Moto Shack, and everybody helping you out.
Yeah, lots of help off Malcolm Rathon Sport, Rhino Goo, Rip and Roll. Everyone's helping me out. Who's helping me out? I appreciate it so much. Thank you very much for keeping me racing.
Well, it's good to see you back. Ashley Greedy, one of our top 125 riders, our previous multi-schoolboy champion. Good to see Ash back. and Ellie with us. Leon, how are your feelings on this championship?
It should be a good series, to be fair. I mean, feeling good, been training all winter. I mean, the first round's gone quite nicely, track's really good. We've got loads of good tracks this year, so just looking forward to it, really. Just take it how it comes.
What kind of training do you do in the winter time? You know, you do mountain biking or some swimming or anything like that? What kind of training you guys do in the winter?
I don't really do training with like a group of people. I prefer training by myself. I do a lot of boxing. I do a lot of cycling, a lot of running by myself.
But are you managing to get some sponsorship?
Yeah, I managed to get some sponsors this year, which I'm really grateful for. Vertical travel's a big one for me. Without him, I would not be racing this year. Obviously, got Gibson tyres. So it's a big move for me this year. I've switched from Golden Tyre to Gibson. I just feel they've got so much better compound out there. I mean, just a great family to be with. Pro Green's one of them, Leah, Apico, Puciline. I mean, everyone really has helped me this year. I really am grateful, because without them I wouldn't be racing this year.
We're in the camp of Todd Ledbetter, rider number 22 in the big wheel class, big wheel 85cc. Todd, things are going not too bad, pretty consistent.
Yeah, it's been good all day, but just need to get the starts from now.
And when did you actually start racing, Todd? You started in the 50s, the autos, or anything like that?
Oh, well, I actually started on a CRF 50 Honda when I was 6 years old, and then from there I went to auto. So.
And what about sponsorship? As we were talking to Leon a little bit earlier about sponsorship, how hard it is to get, but are you managing to get any help anywhere? Anybody helping you out?
Yeah, big thanks to CI Sport and A1 Group for just helping me all this year.
Young guns in the small wheel 85 class we have with us right now, Bobby Bruce. Bobby, things are going very well. First of all, where exactly are you from, Bobby? Where do you come from?
I come from Chatham in Kent, Medway.
The early days of this championship, Bobby's getting some good results and good points.
Yeah, I've got 2 firsts, a second, and I'm here in the last race now.
Last race coming up in the first round of the Judd Racing Premier Cup. And what about the sponsorship? Are you managing to find any? Or is it all mum and dad and family?
Yeah, I've been getting some help from CI Sport, Evotech, MJW, Bud Racing, MX.
Very proud. Well done, Bobby. Keep up that good work.